Let's look at how to pin files to easily access key documents in Microsoft Teams. If you or other members of a Teams channel are actively sharing files, it won't take long before it may be more difficult to find the files to view or edit them. To more easily display key or current files in a channel, first move to the Files tab of the channel. Next, hover over the file and look for the ... or More Actions. You can also right-click on the file. Pick the option Pin to Top. Repeat that for any other key files. Here I'll right-click on this Excel spreadsheet, and here is Pin to Top. And one more, ... or More Actions, Pin to Top. So now, even as other files may be added to this channel, these become then really easy and accessible. Now what if we want to rearrange these? This is also really easy. I'll simply hover over one of the files. Here I have the ... Edit Pin, and move right or move left depending upon its location. And when you no longer need to pin a file, simply move to it. Either right-click or go to the ... Edit Pin, and here I'll unpin. It's that simple to make important files easy to access by pinning them in a Teams channel. To learn more ways to be productive with Microsoft Teams or to join my free tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/teams. If this training was helpful, please subscribe to this channel for other time-saving software tips. Thanks for watching.